The Kantu family broke the screen on one of their cameras. Pretty easy fix. Should be at least. So I shopped for a new screen. And on this page, shopping for the screen, people who bought a replacement screen for the camera apparently also bought sexy floral lace lingerie. I don't even know what to say. It's only $1.95.
The new screen came in, so it's time to get naked. Oh, we're working on it. What'd you think about the underwear? The Kantu family's here. Good morning.
Hi, guys.
Oh, monkey Dustin.
And you too.
I wanted to come out and greet you with the camera because
You got it fixed.
No way, really? Who did it? Did you do it?
I did it.
Really? I knew.
Disbelief.
Oh,
No
disbelief.
faith whatsoever.
Wow.
That's awesome.
Check
See
that
that,
out,
guys?
guys.
So I was gonna come out and record you guys coming in with it, which is the reason you're here. But I couldn't find my memory card.
You can do anything.
And if Dustin can do it, then you
You can too.
Can't do it.
Can't do it.